we'll guide you through how to add custom fields in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and navigate to the project where you want to add a custom field. Once you're in the project, look for the Customize button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a sidebar will pop up on the right. In that sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Add Field. Click on Add Field, and you'll be presented with a menu of existing fields and an option to create a new field. Choose Create a New Field to start customizing your own. You can now give your field a name, select the field type like text, number, or dropdown, and set any additional settings you might need, such as setting a default value or marking it as required. Once you've configured your custom field, click Create Field to add it to your project. You'll see your new custom field appear in the project view, where you can start using it right away. Custom fields are a great way to tailor Asana to fit your workflow, helping you track exactly what you need with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.